Discover self-healing using the potential of your own body. International Yoga Day 2021.
Yoga is giving us not only the physical strength but also mental balance and emotional stability to confidently negotiate the challenges before us.
Greetings to all yoga enthusiasts all over the world. Yoga is not just a set of exercises, it is a path of self-discipline based on an extremely subtle science which focuses on bringing harmony between mind and body.
Yoga is the perfect health and wellness module as it is comprehensive and holistic in its nature. Yogic principles of wellness help to strengthen and develop positive health, enabling the individuals to withstand stress and its consequences better.
Yoga has multiple solutions to prevent diseases, solutions to recover quickly, solutions to get over anxiety and stress related issues.
Yoga is essentially a spiritual discipline. It's an art and science of healthy living. Yoga brings harmony between mind and body, man and nature. The ultimate aim of yoga sadhana is to overcome all kinds of suffering, leading to a sense of freedom.
Namaskar. Hello and a warm welcome to our special series on yoga. In this series, leading up to the International Day of Yoga, we try and present different aspects of yoga for your benefit. The focus of our episode today is senior citizens, the elderly who are more often than not dependent on younger generation for their care and well-being. With advancing age, the temple that is our body starts showing signs of wear and tear, health issues crop up, bodily organs stop functioning properly, everything from mental awareness to physical agility is affected. Common yoga protocol for elderly persons has been designed keeping in mind all these factors and more. It aims to make the elderly person self-reliant, of sound body and mind, free from all kinds of sufferings, leading to a sense of freedom in every walk of life, with holistic health, happiness and harmony. Let's take a closer look.
The elderly population or the senior citizens have special needs and requirements. They need to be taken care of in many ways. With advancing age, their physical strength wanes and mental faculty takes a toll as well. We are beset with age-related ailments and complications. While designing the common yoga protocol, all these aspects and issues have been taken into consideration. The yoga postures or asanas are so easy to perform, which the senior citizens can do with ease, without assistance and also on their own. They help in keeping the body fit and the mind alert, leading to freedom from all kinds of ailments or sufferings. Here, we are presenting modified version of common yoga protocol and its practices for elderly population. Invariably, this leads to a holistic health and happiness. The elderly people become self-reliant and lead a quality life and contribute to the society as well.
Old age is a phase of one's life which is demarked with more degenerative changes, certain insecurities with regards to physical stability, psychological imbalances at times, mood swings, also the emotional instability, social securities, etc. Common yoga protocol, which is having the incorporation of physical postures, the practices related to prana or the vital breath, the concentrative and meditative practices like pratyahara, dharana, dhyana, and of course the aspect of samadhi, along with the Om chanting and recitation of other mantras and silence. These all things will not only help an elderly person to become more self-sufficient with regards to the physical capabilities, but also having a good mental attitude, good emotional stability, lack of dependency issues, as well as particularly the social security aspect, because the body would be more agile and performing well.
Today, we are going to introduce yoga protocol for elderly people, which helps to keep their body healthy and light. Let us start the session with the prayer.
Sangachadvam samvadadvam Sangachadvam samvadadvam Samvo manansi janatam Samvo manansi janatam Deva bhagam yatha purve Deva bhagam yatha purve Sanjanana upasate Sanjanana upasate Sanjanana upasate Sanjanana upasate Sanjanana upasate Sanjanana upasate.
Sit comfortably in any meditative posture. Place your hands in a Gyan Mudra. Keep your back straight for the Kapalabhati Kriya. Inhale deeply through both the nostrils and expel the breath with forceful contractions of the lower abdominal muscles, and let the inhalation be passive. Let us begin the round of Kapalabhati with 20 strokes. Exhale completely and relax. Right and left neck twisting. Stand with the feet comfortably apart. Now place your hands on your waist. While exhaling, gently turn the head towards the right so that the chin is in line with the shoulder. Inhale, bring the head to the normal position. Exhale, turn the head to the left. Inhale and bring the head to the normal position. This is one round. Repeat 2 more rounds. Exhale, twist your head towards the right. Inhale, come in a center. Exhale, twist your head towards the left. Inhale, come in a center. Again exhale, twist your head towards the right. Inhale, come in a center. Exhale, twist your head towards the left. Inhale, come in a center. Bring your arms down and relax. Shoulder rotation. Place your fingers on their respective shoulders. Try to touch the elbows in front of the chest. And now rotate the elbows in a circular manner. Inhale while moving your elbows up and exhale while moving down. This is one round. Repeat 2 more rounds. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Do the same in reverse manner. Exhale, move your elbows down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up. Now stretch your elbows by the sides and bring your arms back. Relax. Trunk twisting. Stand with the feet shoulder width apart. Inhale, raise your arms up to the shoulder level. Exhale, twist your body towards the right. Move your right hand on your back and try to place your left palm on your right shoulder. Now inhale, come back to the normal position. Similarly, exhale, twist your body towards the left. Inhale, come in a center. This is one round. Repeat 2 more rounds. Exhale, twist your body towards the right. Inhale, come to the normal position. Exhale, twist towards the left. Inhale, come to the normal position. Exhale, twist your body towards the right. Inhale, come in a center. Exhale, towards the left. Inhale, come back to the normal position. Bring your arms down and feet close together. Relax. Tadasana. Stand straight with the feet comfortably apart. Inhale and raise your arms up to the shoulder level. Interlock your fingers and while exhaling, turn the wrist outwards. Inhale, bring your arms up. Stretch your body up and maintain the posture with normal breathing. Now release the interlock and bring your arms down to the normal position. Relax. Spread your legs 2 feet apart. Inhale, raise your arms up and stretch up from the waist. While exhaling, bend forward and rest your palms or fingers on the floor as per your own capacity. Relax your head and keep the breathing normal. Inhale slowly, come up in the center position. Exhale, bring your arms back and feet comfortably close. Relax. Now we will practice sitting postures, Utthana Mandukasana. For the elderly group, we will practice this posture in a position of Sukhasana. Gently open your eyes and sit in a Sukhasana. Inhale, slowly raise your arms up. Exhale, bend them from the elbows and try to place your palms comfortably on your opposite shoulders. Stretch your spine upward and keep the neck straight. Gaze at the front. Maintain for a while with normal breathing. Inhale, stretch your arms up. While exhaling, bring them down and relax. Stretch your legs forward and place your palms beside the hip. This is called Dandasana. Bend the right leg and place the right foot near to the left knee. Hold the right knee with the left hand and take the right arm back and place the palm on the ground. Inhale, stretch the spine up. Exhale, twist the body towards the right. Maintain the posture with the normal breathing. Inhale slowly, come back to the normal position. Now repeat the same on the other side. Bend the left leg and place the foot near to the right knee. Hold the left knee with the right hand and take the left arm back and place the palm on the ground. Maintain for a while. Keep your breathing normal. Inhale, come back to the normal position and relax. Join your feet together. Inhale, stretch your arms forward. Keep your chin on the ground. Exhale, place your palms and elbows near to the chest region. While inhaling, lift your chin and chest up and slightly adjust your both the arms. Try to keep your elbows parallel to each other. Exhale slowly, come back. And relax in a Makarasana. Ek Pad Uttanasana. Lying comfortably on the floor, join your feet together, palms beside the body. Inhale without bending the knee, raise your right leg up to the 30-degree angle. Exhale, leg down. Inhale, lift your left leg up Maintain for a while. Exhale, leg down and relax in a Shavasana. Ekpad Pavan Muktasana. Join your feet together, hands by the side of the body. Now inhale, bend your right knee. Exhale, interlock your fingers, clasp your right leg and bring your knee close to the chest as much as you can. Exhale, slowly bring your arms down and leg back. Let us repeat the posture from the left side. Inhale, bend your left leg, interlock your fingers, clasp your left knee, bring the left knee close to the chest as much as possible for you. Exhale, bring your arms back and legs straight. Rest in a Shavasana. Shavasana. Lie down on the ground with the legs stretched out comfortably. Feet comfortably apart, toes pointing outwards, palms facing upward toward the sky. Keep your eyes closed and consciously relax the whole body. Become aware of your natural flow of the breath. Remain in that position until you feel refreshed and relaxed. Sit in any comfortable posture. Now keep the left palm on a left knee in a Gyan Mudra and right hand should be in Pranayama Mudra. Close the right nostril with the right thumb. Inhale through the left nostril and exhale through the right nostril. Slowly inhale through the right nostril and exhale through the left. This is one round. Repeat 2 more rounds. Inhale through the left nostril. Exhale through the right nostril. Inhale through the right nostril. Exhale through the left nostril and keep the practice continue. Exhale through the left nostril and bring your arm back in a Gyan Mudra. Sit comfortably. Keep your eyes closed and keep your spine straight. Inhale deeply through the nose. Exhale slowly, making a deep humming sound. This is one round. Repeat 2 more rounds. Inhale. Inhale. Sit in any comfortable posture. Place your hands in a Dhyan Mudra. Keep your eyes closed and sit with the slightly upturned face. You need not concentrate, just maintain a mild focus between the eyebrows and be conscious of your breath. Let them flow freely. Just observe the flow of the breath. If possible, let the thoughts dissolve. Let us end the session with Shanti Path. Slowly join your palms in a Namaskar Mudra in front of your chest. Take a deep breath inside and chant Om and 3 times Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Gently bring your arms down. Open your eyes.
Wow, what an inspiration. Yoga has been an integral part of the daily routine of people in the ancient and medieval ages. We are witnessing a resurgence in the yogic practices in the modern age. This newfound appreciation and acceptance is primarily because of multiple benefits that yoga guarantees. Among the elderly, it is of a paramount importance as yoga is beneficial for physical fitness, cardiovascular health and musculoskeletal functioning. It helps manage diabetes, respiratory disorders, hypertension and various other age and lifestyle related disorders. Not just that, it reduces depression, fatigue, anxiety disorders and stress as well. All this leads to a life of holistic health and well-being, even in the twilight of our lives. With sincere hope that this episode was beneficial to you, here's wishing you all good health. Stay safe, take care, namaskar.